Mine's Candace here for me. Why am I telling you to come on into your house?
Yeah, looks good. Now I gotta find chairs.
Yeah, that's the next feed. Man, it looks good in there though. It's a good spot. Like I said, just polish every once in a while.
Okay.
And when we eat on ours, we even put a cover on it. Just because when we're eating, you know what I mean?
You know what I've been looking at on Etsy? I found these really cool leather placemats.
Oh,
I thought they would look.
Okay, what's that?
Oh, we're waiting on our blinds.
Oh, I got you. I don't want that. Just stuff that doesn't have to be so just like a regular furniture